When installing the windshield, always make sure to soap up all the joints real good. First thing to do is to make sure we get the rails lubricated. All the side trims are on the windshield. Lubricate those. Then lift up the windshield and install it at the bottom first. Making sure, come to the back, making sure that the back edge gets started out here. And that the windshield sets into the bottom of the track. Once firmly seated and pushed down, firmly push down, then slowly start walking the windshield backwards into place. There's two tabs located at the top of the windshield, which will start to touch. They may have to be pried open as they start to go into place. Each side will have to be done. We use a rubber mallet to lightly tap on the outside of the extrusion to let the windshield slowly clip into place. This allows a little bit of movement for the locks to start locking around the metal bars, the metal tubing. Once completed, all the locks on all clips for the top of the windshield and the sides should all be firmly locked around the tubes. That's all the clips. And that'll be it.